guys, so today I'm going to share with you my honest review about this SmartDevil small humidifier. So as you can see, the liquid water is atomized into a large volume of 500 milliliters. So this fine spray is used to increase the air humidity. So you can use a clean tap water or mineral water or distilled water, which will cause water to accumulate in the mist outlet of this humidifier. So with 4 easy steps on how to use it, just open the lid. So right after that, open the lid for counterclockwise and then add water and then tighten the cover and connect to the USB cable and then click the button to start the humidifier. So as you can see, I already started. And then as you can see, the first press button is to start a continuous spray mode. So if you press the button again, it will switch to intermittent spray mode. So as you can see, so the spray will stop for 3 seconds and it will also stop again for 2 seconds. So as you can see, so it is intermittent. So if you press again for the third time, it will turn off all the spray modes. So as you can see, it stops. So for the night lamp function, so you can press this for the first time. Okay, long press it. So as you can see, there is a constant light or this LED light, as you can see. And then if you long press the button again, so it automatically turns off this LED light. So as you can see, the duration of this spray can last up to 12 hours and the intermittent spray can last up to 18 hours. So the silence operation of this SmartDevil small humidifier is below 30 decibels. So this will allow you to sleep easily in a comfortable, and as you can see, it runs on a USB-C power. So it is easy to use. So as you can see, I recommend this SmartDevil small humidifier, and this is worth buying because it is a good companion for air-conditioned rooms where you can enjoy a quiet and perfect sleep. So as you can see, so if I were you, I would definitely try this SmartDevil small humidifier.